Hi guys, it's me Brian. Today I'm going to be opening up something you guys might be not notice, or was it not very surprising. I'll open up another Five Nights at Freddy's toy. This time this is Liberty Chica Walmart exclusive. This is the back. And yes, I did open parts of it. Special delivery. Yeah, so I'm going to open this up. It's kind of... Were you expecting this? We're not expecting this. Alright. There it is. There's this thing. The cupcake is also in there too. Over here. Trying to take this thing out. It's kind of hard. Not gonna lie, it's actually pretty hard. There we go. Here it is. In one piece. So, first are the accessories. The book that says July for that stuff. And also this cupcake, which is in fire because resembling the torch from the Statue of Liberty. Here's Chica's hand. You can put it right here. Pretty much. This has pretty much looks like the Statue of Liberty, but with the Chica face. Pretty much the articulation is just head movement. I don't think of much up and down. And the arms move. And hands too. No leg movement because no legs, of course. You can hold the book here. And then place the cupcake. The torch cupcake. I like the design of this thing. I also notice those hairs. I'm not sure if those are hairs or something. The eye color is green. The texture looks interesting texture. And this is what it says. And pretty much this is just about it. Pretty much that is the only thing I gotta talk about this. Overall, this looks really good. Also, I noticed there's a dark spot right here. Yeah. So this is pretty neat. Not the best, not the worst. So that's all for this video. Pretty much, it's actually a pretty short one. Like and subscribe. Anyways, goodbye.